Have you ever heard people talk about fiscal policy and wondered what it means? You might hear the term in the news when governments announce budgets, new taxes, or spending programs. Fiscal policy sounds complicated, but the idea is actually simple. It is about how governments use money to guide the economy. Fiscal policy is the decisions a government makes about how to collect money and how to spend it. The money collected mostly comes from taxes, such as income tax, sales tax, or corporate tax. The money spent goes toward things like schools, hospitals, roads, defense, and social programs. By adjusting how much they tax and how much they spend, governments can influence economic activity. So why is fiscal policy important? Because it helps a country manage its economy during good times and bad times. When the economy slows down, people lose jobs and businesses earn less. To fight this, governments may use what is called expansionary fiscal policy. That means they spend more money or reduce taxes so people have extra cash to spend. For example, they might invest in building highways or give tax cuts to families. This encourages people to buy more and businesses to expand, which creates jobs and helps the economy recover. On the other hand, when the economy grows too quickly and prices start rising too fast, governments may use contractionary fiscal policy. This is when they cut back on spending or raise taxes. The goal is to reduce demand, cool down the economy, and keep inflation under control. Fiscal policy also plays a role in shaping society. Spending on education and healthcare can improve the quality of life for citizens. Building infrastructure like roads, ports, and power plants can support businesses and trade. Social programs, such as unemployment benefits, help protect people during hard times. In this way, fiscal policy is not only about numbers, but also about making choices that affect people's daily lives. However, fiscal policy has its challenges. If a government spends too much without collecting enough in taxes, it can create large deficits and debt. Over time, this may become difficult to manage. On the other hand, if a government raises taxes too much, people may spend less, and businesses may cut back, which slows growth. That is why governments must balance carefully between spending, taxing, and borrowing. To sum it up, fiscal policy is how governments collect and spend money to guide the economy. By adjusting taxes and spending, they can encourage growth, control inflation, and support citizens. It can create jobs, improve services, and shape long-term development, but it also requires careful balance to avoid problems like debt. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this explanation of fiscal policy, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of big economic ideas.